On my last video, I picked open this unit oval cylinder and I didn't get around to gutting it, so today we're going to pick it again and gut it. Now the only thing keeping the circlip in place was this little rivet. I'll just show you that one more time. The rivet went through that hole and it kept the circlip from falling out. Now I've had to put this in the vise and tap that rivet out with a small punch. And I've got it out, and like I say, that's the rivet. And by the way, that pinning tray was sent to me from Southampton Lockpicking Club. So now it's easy, because once you've picked it, this circlip doesn't need a tool to remove it, it'll just fall out. But you have got to be careful when you're picking it that that doesn't fall out, because if it does fall out and you pull at the core and you pull the core out while you're picking it, you're going to brick the lock. So we've got to be careful. I'll just show you the keys one more time. Right, so what we'll do is we'll put our hand around here so we can't lose that circlip, and we're going to use the same tension tool as before, and we're going to use the same pick. So it's a low lock tension tool, hacksaw blade pick. And let's see if we can get into this as quick as we did on the previous video. And then we'll have a look what's inside it. It does go into little bits of like small full sets. You get bits of movement off the core, but there's nothing too untoward in there. So we get it open quite quick again. So what we'll do is we'll turn it around into that position, and then we'll just get this circlip out. Like I say, look, it just falls out. Stick that in there. Get the old pinning shoe out. Stick that on there like so. And first of all, we'll have a look at the key pins. Now straight away you can see, let me just zoom in. Straight away you can see little grooves at the top. So let's have a look at these pins. Use me pick to get them out. That's the first one. A little bit dirty, but you can see there's like a little bit of a chamfer on the top of them. Same again, they've got like little chamfers, and obviously there's little cutouts on the holes in the core. So that's pretty cool. Right, let me just zoom back out again now. Let me just use my pick to get these out. It's a bit dirty in here. It's obviously an old lock, even though it's new condition, it's old stock. That's the last one. So let me just show you them close up again. Zoom back in. Oh, I've knocked the camera. Zoom in again. There you go. They've got like little chamfers on the top. And that's your core. So, right, let's have a look at what's inside here. Zoom back out again. I'll put this in. Twist that around. Pull him out. That's standard. Standard again. Another standard. and yet another standard. And I'm sure the last one's going to be standard as well. Yeah, standard again. So the key pins, I'm not going to bother taking the springs out because I'm going to put this back together now. So yeah, the key pins had a little bit of work on them, as in the fact they was all chamfered at the top, but the driver pins was all just standard. Shame really, if the driver pins would have been a little bit better, might have been an harder lock to pick. So that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try it a bit.